Touchless plumbing fixtures add hygiene and convenience to new home construction with minimal disruption when planned correctly. When upgrading to touchless faucets and fixtures in new homes, plan sensor placement and power options first, so activation is consistent and drains do not trap water. Choose between battery-powered modules for easy retrofit and hardwired units for long-term reliability, and specify low-voltage wiring runs during rough-in to avoid later access work. Match sensor range and response time to the sink type and basin depth, so the faucet does not shut off while hands are under the stream or remain on after hands are removed. And test settings during commissioning, so installers can fine-tune sensitivity and run times. Select finishes that resist fingerprints and abrasive cleaning to keep maintenance low, and specify aerators and flow restrictors that balance touchless activation with water savings without causing splatter. For toilets and urinals, opt for hands-free flush valves that integrate with the same power or battery strategy, and confirm valve compatibility with local plumbing codes and supply pressures. Add sensor-operated soap dispensers and timed hand-drying strategies to complete a contactless sequence that reduces cross-contamination in high-traffic areas. A common mistake is picking sensors without verifying power source compatibility, which leads to intermittent performance. Verify battery life ratings or plan low-voltage circuits and places for future access. Another frequent issue is choosing finishes that show wear quickly under frequent cleaning, which increases owner dissatisfaction. Specify durable protective coatings and avoid micro-textured surfaces that trap grime. A third issue is ignoring water conservation settings, which can increase utility costs. Set flow rates and flush volumes during commissioning to meet local efficiency standards while ensuring user satisfaction. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like touchless plumbing upgrades, and we help homeowners discover local professionals and read community discussion threads about real experiences. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community to share tips and coordinate local opportunities.